And yes, through food now, the third one, through food. So, consumption of the spoiled food, as you can see here, we are never going to consume this food, right? Because there are a lot many germs present on it, a lot many bacteria and fungus which are found on it. So yes, consumption of such a spoiled food or contaminated food causes food poisoning also, right? And microorganisms that grow on our food, they produce some toxic substances. Remember, your microorganisms undergo extracellular digestion. So if a bacteria attacks this tomato or this banana peel, what's going to happen? That bacteria is going to secrete the enzymes and the different acids and the toxins, and yes, digestion will happen extracellularly, and then it will be taken up by the bacteria. But that food right now, it's completely spoiled, so never ever consume that, right? Moving forward to the next means of spread, which is your physical contact. So yes, there are a lot many diseases like the chicken pox, smallpox, ringworm, which spread from one person to the other through physical contact, right? And yes, these diseases spread by touching even the non-living object, right? Non-living object in the sense, suppose I'm not feeling well and I have some bacterial infection in my lungs. So, and I sneeze, I covered my mouth, but I sneeze. And then with the same hand, without washing, I open up the door. So all the bacteria right now are present on that doorknob, correct? Now, if a healthy person comes and opens the door with his hands and without washing hands, he consumes it. He consumes the food. What's going to happen? The bacteria are now going to enter his body through a non-living object. Such a transfer is called a fomite-borne disease. Right, guys? So this is your fomite-borne. Moving forward to the next one, through sexual contact. Now, a lot many STDs are there, sexually transmitted diseases are there, which are going to spread through the sexual contact. Correct? Example, syphilis, gonorrhea, as well as your AIDS. So these are certain ones which are going to be transmitted in the form of sexual contact. Now comes through the vectors. So the next means of spread is through vectors, and vectors are what? These are nothing but mere carriers, right? So this is a pathogen. This is a harmful bacteria, or maybe your virus, or maybe your protist, right? Protozoan. So these are those different pathogens causing the disease. This is just a carrier here. Most of the carriers are your mosquitoes, right? So these are the vectors, and that's the diseases. So after the mosquito bites us, this pathogen will enter our body and will cause these diseases. So these pathogens are not harming the vector. No, they are going to harm our body, but vector is just a carrier. I hope that part is clear. So we have a lot many examples here. Malaria caused by Plasmodium, and the vector is Anopheles, female Anopheles mosquito. Then we have filariasis, dengue, Kala Azar, sleeping sickness, rabies. These are different diseases which are spread through the mosquito bite or any other bite, right? These are the vector diseases.